Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to finally install a delay relay on the Forester for the Scavenger system. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with my projects. First up, we're going to play around with some of the molds that I stuffed up. Then we'll get outside when it stops raining and fit that relay. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're going to continue on with some of the forged carbon parts for the V35, G35. But first we need to mount the heater so we can get a good temperature across here. So it is going to go up on that beam there. And also today we have a delivery, so I need to go pick that up from the post office. Because I'm not at work, it got sent to the post office. So yeah, that's for the Forester. So let's mount this, see how it goes, and we'll have to clear off some of the bench so it doesn't get superheated. And we are curing the clear for the carbon. Alright, got it mounted. It's like perfect actually. So we got two in there. I'll test the temperature. We'll chuck the little weather station in front of it, and we'll see how much it heats up to. I think one should be enough. Yeah. Sick. Alright, I'm going to go out and get that part for the Forester. If you know, you probably know. Well, that trip was a bit of a fail. Went to the post office, gave him my phone that had the details of the delivery. What's your post box number? I don't know. It's Toyota's, that's where I work. No, unless you give me the number, I can't get it. So, jump in the car, message my boss. Got the receptionist's number, so I can get the post box number. And I text her. She goes, oh no, it's on my desk. Picked it up yesterday. And we're closed. So there's one person working in the office in lockdown, so I might give him a buzz and head down there and grab it. But at this point, it's pissing down with rain, so I can't really fit it. So I don't know, might just leave it. But in one more week of lockdown, just heard that about 45 minutes ago. So yay, hopefully it's not longer. Alright, got it on setting 1. Let's see what it gets up to. Looking at this one here, it's 9 at the moment. And I went out to work and picked up the relay, so let's have a look at it. Alright. It's like any other relay, except it's got two little plugs at the top here that you can rotate, or pop the plugs out and rotate. So keep that, so it shows me what's what. So maybe well, it didn't come with a little fuse, like a bracket. That was weird. Normally they have a bracket that goes in there and you can screw it on. Might have to get a an actual fuse holder. Looks pretty similar. So delay adjustment. We have time and delay. Definitely going to have to try it without the car running. Because we don't want to turn the car off and just turn off, or have it delayed so when the car's running it turns off after 1 minute or whatever. So I'm going to have a little play around there. But yeah, as you can tell, it's raining. So I'm not going out in the rain and doing this. So I'm going to have to wait. So we've gone up 8 degrees on the heater over there. Alright guys, so just going to continue with cleaning up this mould. Only got from there to there to do. So just going to keep picking away at it and clean it up. It's a bit dusty as well. We'll give it a polish. Make sure it's all good. Then we'll give it a wax up. And we'll try to get some gel coat onto it within a day or so. But, yeah, we'll move over to the carbon fibre. We've already gone up another degrees over there, so I think we might be right with setting, but I don't want to leave the heater on while I'm not in here either. So having another week off is probably good for doing this stuff, because I can come out, you know, every 15 minutes and just check, make sure the place isn't burning down. But yeah, it's pretty cold outside. It's 8 degrees outside and rainy. Alright boys, we're at 21 degrees, so it's going to be perfect little spot to sit these and let them cure, but hopefully get nice and clear. I'm doubting the front side of these are going to be clear. So let's have a look. That's what came out of that one. Same batch. So I might just pop these out and start again, because we've got a better setup now. So I'll pop them out, see how they are. If they're alright, then I'll just add some more structure to the back of them. Alright guys. Ugh. So this is for pre-2005. It's the one that I got out pretty quick. So there wasn't enough there, or it was still sticky, and it's all cloudy. I believe that's because of temperature. And this is its other side. So I'm going to pop this one out. It's been in the mould for how long? It's been sitting in there for like 2 weeks, maybe even longer. One thing I did stuff up on as well is not going thick enough all the way around the edges to give it some more strength on those edges there. You can see it's a bit lighter on here, there. So this mould's going to need a good clean up, just like the gauge pod. This was the same batch too as the gauge pod, so yeah, wish me luck. Alright guys, I just popped this out and it landed pretty much there. I haven't actually seen it yet, but it doesn't look the best up here, and that's where the gap is there. Yeah. Yeah. Doesn't look very nice there. So the white. That one's a bust. No, you learn from your mistakes, don't you guys? Let's get the 2005 Plus door handles and pop them out too. No, that's broken. And again, that wasn't very good, so see you later. Yeah. I don't know what was going on there. Oh well. So I popped them out and they are not very good. So let me clean up these. I'll worry about the 2003 ones some other time. I want to do these 2005s because I still don't have any in my car, so I'll clean these up. Just looking at the temperature over there, it's 23 degrees, which is great. It's like perfect. They're good for painting too. Right boys, still going at it, but it sounds like it's stopped raining, so I might get out there and have a look at the relay. Alright, so we may have an issue. I didn't have the bonnet down all the way, but I know when the bonnet is down all the way, a little bit of water still gets in. And the relay's right there. So I need to relocate that relay. Alright. Alright guys, so I just removed it from the side there. It's just sitting on top of the catch can system there. So I'm just going to wire it in the same. So this is a 5-pin. I'm going to treat it as a 4-pin. I'm going to use 87, not 87A. 87A is normally closed. So yeah, I think that's right. Right, go put it in. We'll have a look at the time. We'll have a play around with that, and hopefully we get it right. Right, so everything is in the same location. Just need to get these caps off so I can change the time and the delay. Alright, so I got my little screwdriver, pop the caps off, and I need an even smaller screwdriver to change it. Let's see if I got a smaller one. Nope. Yeah, no, I don't. But let's see if it will work. I'll turn everything on and see if it runs as usual without me changing anything. Yeah. Right, so the car is on. I don't know if that was the delay or not, but if it was, it's perfect timing to when I touched it. Let's turn the car on again. Okay, so that is the wrong way around. Okay, that wasn't the wrong way around. It took 10 seconds, I think, to come on. And then it went off straight away. So, 9 seconds. Alright guys, I have no idea what I did, but I think I'm about 30 seconds, so I'm pretty happy with that. So let's go count it. Off. Cool. Right, so we are like 31 to 32 seconds. Pretty sure it's 32 seconds. So that's after I turn it off. So I'm pretty happy with that. I don't know what the next notch up would be. That might be 2 minutes. It doesn't really have instructions on how long each notch is, so I'll have another look at the instructions while I put you guys on charge. Alright, I got in just in time. Sounds like hail. Yep. Oh, close it up. Alright, so I got the relay to go for 30 seconds. I can use my turbo timer to let the car run. Once the turbo timer turns off, we've got 30 seconds on the scavenger pump still, so it's all good. I didn't change anything else. A normal relay mount does not fit on that relay, so it's cable tied to the fuse box. But yeah, it's on there pretty good. So yeah, we finally got that. Probably the best $100 I've spent on a fuse, on a relay. Most expensive relay actually I've bought. But yeah, later tonight I'll come out and continue on with the molds. Hopefully we can get something into it tonight. Alright guys, it's the next day. I didn't come back out last night and I left my heater on all day, so that's not good. But yeah, it's going to take a lot longer than I thought, because I've still got to wax it up, and waxing takes a long time. I might use the spray wax, which I've got around here somewhere. That should work a lot quicker and better. We'll see how they go with the carbon fibers. But yeah, we got the relay in, so pretty happy about that. So if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with my projects. As you can see, we've got a lot going on. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.